Today I'll show you how to set up automatic abandoned cart reminder emails in WordPress. We'll use a ready-made template in AIWU and have it running in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, go to AIWU in your WordPress admin, then click Workflows. Instead of building from scratch, check Templates section at the bottom. Here you'll see ready-made workflow templates. Find abandoned cart reminder emails. Click on it. The entire workflow structure is now imported and ready to customize. Let's look at what this template does. At the top, you have the trigger. It fires whenever a new WooCommerce order is created with pending payment status. That means someone started checkout but didn't pay. Then there's a 1-hour delay, followed by the first email. Here's the first email settings. The To field already uses a variable. This automatically inserts the customer's email from their order. For the subject line, write something friendly, like, "Did you forget something?" In the message body, the template gives you a starting point. Edit it to match your store's voice. After that, a conditional check. If the order is still pending, wait 24 hours and send a second email with a discount code. Make the second one a bit more urgent. Mention the discount code. Last chance, 10% off with code SAVE10. Before we publish, click the settings icon. Make sure these are checked. Multiple runs. You want this to work for every abandoned cart, not just once. Send email on error, useful to stay notified. Timeout is set to 300 seconds. Everything looks good. Click Save and Run buttons. That's it. Your abandoned cart recovery system is now live and running automatically. To test it, create a test order on your site. Add something to cart, go to checkout, enter your email, but don't complete payment. Your workflow triggered and the first email scheduled. Check your inbox in an hour. You should receive the reminder. That's how you set up abandoned cart emails using a template in AIWU. The plugin has more templates for other automation tasks. Check them out in the templates section. Link to AIWU is in the description. See you in the next video.